Configuring an all-access membership page for your Virtual Summit members. For those who bought your Virtual Summit Full Access Pass, configure a page where they can log in. Access to this page should start the day after your Virtual Summit ends. You must think about the offer you are going to make in order to sell the full access page. For example, you can offer full access to the site with content, or you can offer full access if the participant buys one of your products, services, or training. As you increase your Virtual Summit experience, it will become apparent to you which offer you can add. This will provide the most value for you and for your audience. It is good to try several options to test results, so you can apply them during your next Virtual Summits. Make sure you give only one purchase option to your audience and not multiple options in the same Virtual Summit. There are many platforms to manage online memberships using login and password you can use. Among them are ClickFunnels, Wishlist Member, Teachable, and Thinkific. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.